Then the next tab is parcel packing. Let's go to parcel adjustments. Here you can set the default weight and measurements for parcels. These values are required to quote the shipping rates and will be applied by default to products without weight or dimensions. You can set the minimum length, the minimum width, the minimum height, and the minimum weight. You can also set an additional weight to add to all your parcels. This can be set as a fixed amount or a percentage amount. This is useful in case you want to include some gadgets, flyers, instructions, or more in all of your parcels. You can add a weight like this, for example. Save options. Then we have the parcel boxes sub-tab. Here you can populate this table right here with the boxes that you will use to ship your items. As you can see, I already have several boxes added. Most of them are activated, but you can deactivate the options. Let's add a box. Let's name this UPS medium, and here you can select the type. See all the options you have available. Let's select this one, UPS Express Box Medium. Let's select this box for the United States and Canada. And you see that the length, width, and height were actually added automatically. When you select any type of box, for example, right now you see these numbers, but if I select, for example, small, the numbers change automatically. Back to medium, you can add this information if you want to. Add box. Here it is. The parcel name, the type, the dimensions, the shipping zones, and it is enabled. You can edit it anytime here or delete it here. Then you'll find the extra options section. Here you can enable the option to combine all boxes from the same order in a single shipping. By default, the plugin sends a separate quote request for each box used to pack all the items in the cart, and then it sums up all the returned rates. But with this option, the plugin will put all the boxes needed to fit all the items in the order on top of each other. And then it will use the total dimensions and weight of this pile to send a single shipping quote request. If you choose to combine boxes in single shipping, we suggest enabling the second option, use cube dimensions, because boxes with irregular sizes are usually more expensive to ship. This way, the plugin will calculate the volume of a box as length times weight times height. And then it will use this value to calculate the dimensions of the box with the sides of an equal length, like length equals weight equals height. And of course, you can choose the shipping label format. Save options. Let's move on to the postage options sub-tab. Here you can enter the default info about the content of the shipments. You have the shipment description, the content, you can choose merchandise, documents, gift, returned goods, humanitarian donation, or other. You can also choose the country of origin. Select a domestic shipping service, like for example, let's do UPS, and select an international shipping service. Let's do DHL. You also have a field here to enter the tariff number. This is required by some carriers for international shipments. In case you don't know your tariff number, you can find it by clicking here. Keep in mind, this would be the default information to use in your custom declarations as a description of the contents of your shipments, but you can override this information for each order, okay? Then you have postage options for single order. You can choose to request a shipment creation to make sure to create the shipment before purchasing the postage and the shipping label. Let's save options.